Modeling backgrounds can be challenging because it seems to be a really big task, you know? Building the whole world where your characters are going to be. Let me now pass to you a fundamental lesson in 3D. Nothing is real. Everything is an illusion. You're not really going to be building a world. You're making a stage. You only need to show what's in front of the camera. What's behind it? I don't know. And I don't care. Your hero is looking at a vast city? Draw it. Slap it on a plane. Make a bunch of clouds. Put it on a sky dome. And you're done. And hey, if you like my video so far, do leave a comment down below and consider smashing that subscribe button. It's always nice to hear from you guys watching this. One of the best things about being prepared for this 3D animation is that you'll never know what your camera is going to see beforehand. You don't need to build stuff that won't be seen. Fake everything. Figure out funny tactics that will look awesome on screen, and you will be the only one that knows the secret. And what's that secret? Nothing is real. Everything is an illusion.